Hey, what's going on there, guys? Earthmaster here. November 30th, 2017, 3:18 p.m. here on the West Coast. And got a report of an earthquake over there along the East Coast. Quite a few people claiming they felt this earthquake here. Well, you can see it right here on the East Coast, over here around the Washington, D.C. region, over here in Delaware. This earthquake right here registering a 4.1, originally a 4.5. Kind of interesting activity, as we did see a 6.7 earthquake strike, well, within the last 24 hours here in the mid-Atlantic Ridge region. Now, I'm not saying these two are directly related, but any kind of large-scale movement, which this here was a 6.7, could ultimately have an effect on other plates over here. Taking a closer look at the region here, we're going to zoom in here and see if we can't find out exactly where this earthquake was located. I do have the fault systems on, the fault maps. I don't believe there's any fault zones or fault structures out there around the Delaware region. Now, this is very close to the town of Dover in Delaware, kind of off to the Delaware Bay region right there. Interesting activity. 4.1. Take a look at the people who felt it. No doubt felt it all over the place. 4.1 now out there on the East Coast is going to be felt over a larger region than it would, for example, out here on the West Coast, just because of the geological features and whatnot out there and the ground structure. A lot of people feeling it over there in Dover. And also, well, you can see these other towns right here. I believe all these are being underestimated there as far as the numbers go. They're only showing 15 down there and 10 in this town right here. Some I'm not even going to pronounce that. Zip code 19977. That town there in Delaware. Definitely felt it as well. This was at 8.1 kilometers below the surface. Interesting activity, guys, nonetheless. Like I say, no fault structures out there that I am aware of, and on the maps I don't see any as well. If you did happen to feel this earthquake, please leave a comment below. I'd like to know what it felt like. This being out there on the East Coast, did you feel a rolling motion? Was it a jolt? Did you hear any noise, possible like ground rumbling noise? Let us know if you happen to experience that 4.1 earthquake in the area, and your location as well, being from the epicenter. I'd like to know exactly. I might pull up a station around the region in Delaware and see if I can't get some live data coming in there. So once again, guys, 4.1 over there in the Delaware region on the East Coast. Stay safe out there. As always, have an earthquake plan, and we'll talk at you guys later. Peace out.